All right, you guys, so it's going to be a couple of things that y'all are going to see in this vlog, and so I don't know where we're going to insert this clip or how the clips are going to line up, but there's been a couple of things that's been happening. Really, this week is February 4th, Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday, and y'all, I am horrible. I totally was unaware of the fact that it was Super Bowl, and not that I'm a sports fan or anything like that, but I mean Super Bowl, whether you're a sports fan or not, it's a pretty big deal. But it's just been, this last week has been crazy. Life happens and things happen. So yeah, we've been just like juggling. That's been the whole motto, the theme for the whole week. So anyway, y'all are gonna see a lot of stuff. You're gonna see me in the studio with Xscape, which was absolutely amazing. Their new album is dropping in March. So make sure y'all look for that album. It is bomb. If you are an Xscape fan, or even if you're not an Xscape fan, you will be one. And if you are an Xscape fan, you're gonna love the music that they the new music that they have. So definitely make sure you guys check out that part in the vlog. I don't know if we're gonna keep the audio in there, but you know, you're gonna get some flavors, and if you follow me on social media, you gonna get you got the flavors, you got some of the sounds and all that good stuff. And then yesterday we went to Julian Lark's boot camp. I think it's called the Lark Experience boot camp. It's a styling kind of like entrepreneur boot camp. He did an incredible job, so it was awesome to go ahead and support him on that. And because Alfred, say hi Alfred. And because Alfred was shooting or taking some photos at the actual session, I got to sit in and support him in that way. And K-Moss, that's probably all y'all gonna see, and just a little extra. Not doing too much this weekend. It's all about business. We had a minor setback. Y'all, if y'all don't know, Alfred's great grandmother lives with us, and so she had a situation Thursday night, and we don't put all that in the vlog because we generally want this to be an uplifting and inspiring vlog, but at the same time, life happens, and you know, this is what we're doing. But she's doing great. She's doing a lot better. We were happy that of the progress that she's making since Thursday. So we plan to have her back in action come Monday, come tomorrow, and we're gonna do some good stuff. But today, not gonna really watch the Super Bowl. I gotta launch this accessory line for Blank Wardrobe to y'all, so y'all can make y'all purchases next week. Probably expect that on Wednesday, so y'all probably be tuning into this on Tuesday. And so Wednesday is when y'all, tomorrow for y'all, will probably be able to get that. And gonna shoot this look today really quickly. Alfred is being a fat butt because we pulling up at this Taco Bell. What you gonna get?
The new nacho fries.
he been listen, y'all, he wanted to come last night at 11 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, talking about he hungry. He wanted to eat some Taco Bell French fries. But I'm kind of curious too. We gonna let y'all know how it tastes. But yeah.
Can I have a nacho fries box?
With the drink?
Can I have a... I'll take a Mountain Dew.
Alright, what else can I get for you?
What you want?
I'm a pass.
You want anything? You want to try mine?
Yeah, I'll try yours because I'll get something else.
That'll be all.
Any taco sauce?
Yeah, can I have
y'all, I need
hot?
to do better. You know, I don't need to have no Taco Bell.
Actually, I'm sorry, for the drink, can I have that orange cream pop freeze instead?
There he go.
You want regular?
We're gonna keep it formal, and then we'll allow you guys to answer any questions once we start having the music playing.
Absolutely.
So what, we're gonna play a song and then questions, or just gonna let it flow?
Okay, cool. I'll play. Where's Preston?
No, baby, that's me. Like I just woke up.
Somebody get Preston for me? Last performance must have been
Yeah, last one. My last. You done took it. Why did you take it off?
They sing and they rap and they dance. So we have one song in particular, I know, called Here For It, that we like to dance and have fun. So don't think that we're going through a midlife crisis or anything. We like to have fun. You know, age is nothing. Age ain't nothing but a number. So that song in particular is like, we stood outside the box and we're doing a little chant dance and then singing, just having fun. Life is all about fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm glad you said the kids because they do keep us in tune with what's going on.
Yes, they do.
So, yeah.
Go ahead, bro.
Which one? What do you play?
I believe Memory Lane is coming up,
Okay,
right?
Memory Lane.
Oh, yes. Take me back.
Take me back where we used to meet at a duck-off, just you and me. Passion was all up in our minds. We were letting our frustration burn. If the temperature was chilling, we was wrapped up in each other. And Lord, I really miss those days. Yes, I do. And I haven't been feeling that way.
Beginning of relationships is things that you did that sometimes you don't do anymore. So it's not saying that you're in a bad relationship or it's not going good. It's just saying, remember the time when we first did this, or when you took me there, or we first kissed. Take me back to that place. So it's like, let's just revisit that. Let's just, the fire is going. Let's just put some coals in the fire. Let's put a little, you know, let's just brighten the fire up. So it's just saying, take me back to that place where we fell in love.
Yep, that's exactly what that is.
Absolutely.
It's a feel-good record.
Yes, it feels good.
I don't like the way you said it. I don't like the way you said it, but yes.
Now, but Memory Lane is actually, I believe it's going to be. Have we agreed on what it's going to be?
Yeah, I mean, we go back and forth all the time, but that's a good thing to be able to have all these songs that everybody's like, we want that to be the next one. Yeah. So yeah, I think that we've all agreed that that's the first single.
Yeah, Memory Lane. Memory Lane is going to be the first record that goes to radio with, you know, so everybody can enjoy it. So, with that being said, and it being an important focus track, I would like to just play that one more time for y'all. So that. No, I'm just kidding.
We'll come back to it. We can come back to it.
We'll come back to it. What we got next, Press? What we want to play? Let's play. Well, they heard like some of the three a little bit because we kind of haven't played.
You heard that?
Yeah, let's play Dream Killer. Yeah.
I gave you all of mine, you pushed me to the side. Boy, you know I tried to put you first. You gave it to me right, even though you lied. I stayed with you and that's what really hurts. You promised me the world, said I'm your perfect girl, and I was so invested in your love. Then I opened up the blinds and uncovered my eyes, cause you ain't ever cared about us, no. You sold it to me, then stole it from me. Boy, you're nothing but a dream killer, killer. My one and only, try to control me. Boy, you're nothing but a dream killer, 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 killer. Boy, you're nothing but a
good one. Act like you know. Don't wait too long. Cause if you don't lock it down, you never know. She might be gone one day. Stop trying to run away from commitment. You need to stay. Shouldn't be a debate. You be gone at the first sight of emotion. If you got a good one, give her a promotion.
And wipe her up. You got a girl that you can trust. Wipe her up. Don't just say it really show love. Wipe her, wipe her.
Real ones can't do nothing but respect. If you cut down one, don't neglect it.
Wait. Let me tell you what to say.
What you say?
That's too much drip for a lady.
For a lady.
Bossing on a regular. Put myself on a pedestal. Wait. Let me tell you what to say.
What you say?
I'm heavy on the sauce in the season. And you're right.
but only for my main, cause these niggas lame. Having it and reading it, think the same thing. It's okay to do you in your own lane. David Blaine, levitating on these bitches, no name. I don't know.
Wardrobe styling, literally, even though we're the bottom of the totem pole to a degree, we're still the be all to the end all. Because you can't do hair, you can't do makeup without wardrobe. Any questions so far? Okay. Yeah, right here. There you go. You got it. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Also, the shower cap is right here. Shower cap is for makeup. So you put it over the face and then put it like shower cap. Shower caps are used for makeup. So you put the shower cap over their faces when they're trying on clothes so that they don't get makeup on their wardrobe and you don't have clean up. If you don't know how to sew it, you just know it. You enjoy it now? I woke up one morning. These clamps, the big white ones, but you also use these as clamps. So sometimes you have to do a scoop and shower pan. You can do more. It's always good to have big and small. Everybody got this for the show?
I have a fashion beauty and lifestyle blog called Lipstick.com, and I just took Julian's class, and it was amazing. I left with a lot of gems. I got a booklet, all types of good stuff. So the next class, make sure you sign up.
Because
Are you? Thank you for coming.
where you
Yeah, I
are.
came to full clothes. Joe was doing a lifestyle full clothes.